You know, I got a few things wrong as a school principal, but one of the things I know I got right was the decision to make my schools restorative in nature. The reason I know I got it right is because after we had done the work of building a restorative school, I was able to look out my office window and see people conducting themselves differently in each other's company. I didn't get that from programs. I didn't get that from teaching many lessons about respect. In fact, what I know is that we have kids in our schools who could get a great mark on their respect poster, but still go out into the yard and do things that are entirely disrespectful in nature. I'd like to do something about that. I'm going to run a workshop called Leading a Restorative School, where I'm going to put you, I guess, on the threshold of that opportunity that I had to actually be able to look out your window and see people conducting themselves positively, relationally, empathically, and collaboratively. It's a workshop opportunity that's going to start with you and your conduct, but it's really going to be about the transformations that we can trigger in your school. And I really think you should come along.